Welcome to week 3 of the course. Last week you were exposed to the harsh realities of leadership today, which has fostered a world in which leaders are rewarded when enacting potentially toxic behaviors such as immodesty, inauthenticity, dishonesty, untrustworthiness, and selfishness. Confronted with this reality, you are then challenged with thinking about how one might reconceptualize leadership for the better. Over the next few weeks, you will be exposed to several avenues for achieving the positive change in leadership many of you indicated we were in need of through the first key content area of this course, ethical and responsible leadership. Foundational to this content area will be the readings and lessons offered in your main textbook for the class, Meeting the Ethical Challenges of Leadership, written by Craig Johnson. This week, you will need to read the introduction and chapters 1 and 2 of this book, as well as an article about CEOs getting fired for ethical lapses. Collectively, these readings will expose you to the sources and mechanisms behind unethical leadership practices, as well as potential strategies for promoting more responsible leadership, which Johnson refers to as stepping out of the shadows. You will also apply the principles and knowledge gained on ethical and responsible leadership to the Wells Fargo case study on unauthorized bank openings. Assignments for this week consist of 4 discussion posts, as shown here, all of which are due by this Thursday, and 1 discussion comment, which is due by this Sunday, following the same format as in the prior weeks. With all that being said, I hope you have another productive and insightful week. Feel free to reach out with any questions you may have.